Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by to see what I am up to. For the first time ever, I bought a product or boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I got 2 mystery boxes. I was late to the game on them. I kept on hemming and hawing. I've never bought anything from Jeffree Star. I don't own anything from Jeffree Star. I love following him on Instagram, Twitter. I love his products. I just never pulled the trigger. Well, I finally did, and I am so excited to bring this. I won't be doing this often because these are pricey, but I tried not to watch anyone's videos, but I did watch one, which I know not every box is the same. There is some tissue, and there is like a receipt, and then you get a little card, you know, with, I guess, his images. So I'll just put this off to the side. Let's put this on the floor. And then in this big box right here are other boxes. So let's take these out. I did get 2, so we'll do 2. Both boxes. Let's get that off. And see. Oh, I can get this one out. Let's get it out. Just have it hit the table. Oh. Okay. Just don't want anything to get damaged here. These are very expensive boxes. So let me just pick up all this mess that I just made. I'm trying to stop doing that. So let me, one is, so I got, what I got, I'll tell you what I got. So I have the Spring Mystery Box Deluxe. That's what I assume this one is. Yes, Deluxe. And I got a large if in case there's any clothing. And then this one here is the Premium. Total I think was $180 for both. To get free shipping. Like I said, I've never ever bought anything, and I, you know, well, there's a first time for everything. And like I said, I will not be getting these all the time, just because of the price of them. I know they're a good value, but I won't put these out of the way. So let's open this first box. Once I can get the tape, it's very well taped. Get the lid off. Okay. So I'm going to open this box first, and this is the Deluxe, and in case there's clothing, I did get a large. You know, I'm a medium, but sometimes I probably won't wear anything if there's a t-shirt or things like that, but I could sleep in it. So, ooh, let's give a little sneak here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So we have the first edition, enamel pin set. Well, that's really cute. Like that. That's adorable. There's another card here. Just going to try to put things off to the back. And it looks like there is a t-shirt. Like I said, I did get a large, so that I'll just probably sleep in it, hang around the house in it. I'm not one to really wear like t-shirts like this out and about. But I might. You never know. And a lot of times, like if sleeves are too long, I just roll them. Too long. This is cute. Right here. Oh, I like the neon green. Definitely yellows and greens. This is cute. I'm not mad at it at all. Like I said, I'll sleep in it. What's in this box? So here I have 3 boxes like this. Let's see what this is. I mean, these are probably like single eyeshadows. So this is Solemnly Swear, Mortuary Beautician, and Good Morning. Right here. Let's see if I can just pop these out. Thank God I have plenty of Z palettes I can put stuff like this in. Oh, I want to be careful. So that's here. What is that? Yes, it's under. I'll have to investigate. Like, I don't know what palettes these are from. I don't own any palettes. So for me to say this is from, you know, this one, I don't know that. Mortuary Beautician. Some of the darker ones, I'm sure, like the grays and stuff, is probably from the, what was his, like, black and gray and white palette. I don't remember what that one was. I'm horrible when it comes to that. So this is right here. This is the shade. I'm excited for these. I'm going to put them back in. Solemnly Swear. There's lots of good stuff in here. Is this one. Okay, I'm not going to close them all up in there again. I think we'll save this. Oh my God. I just got a sneak peek. excited. I have the gloss, and this is Diamond Juice. My hands are shaking. I am so excited. Not horrible. Ooh, squeaky. Come out of the box. Okay. Oh, wow. The packaging. I love it. Look at this. Okay, because that was the bottom. So we'll make sure. I'm not going to put this back in the box. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. I want to be able to keep them out for photos. So this is an eyeliner in Gold Digger right here. And it says Gold Digger right there. I don't know how this comes out. Oh, look at this. I'm excited. And it's just a brown. Oh, nice formula though. Swatch that because I'll be keeping that for sure. I'm not a big fan of brown, but I might on an occasion. That's a nice little liner. I'm excited for that. So far, I'm excited for everything. Here I have a lip balm, and this is Diet Shane. So this is from the, I guess the Shane Dawson collab that he did. I like that. That's cute. It says Shane Dawson on it. It's got this Jeffree Star. Oh, and this is just a balm. Oh, that's nice. Keep in your handbag. A little bougie, but I'm excited for that. I'm going a little quick because I want to be able to get both. I don't want this to be super long. So this is Velour Liquid Lip in Leo. This is Leo. And I still have 2 more items. And this is the Deluxe. Oh, nice. Very wearable. I'm happy I didn't get like any blues or purples. Very wearable shade. Excited, excited. And then, I don't know which one to do first. I'm going to do this. Oh my God. Oh, I just saw the back of the box. I think I'm going to cry. Money, honey. I don't know how this opens. Oh my God. Oh, heaven. Are you kidding me? Jeffree Star. Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Set. Never in a million years would I have thought that would be in here. Oh my. I literally have the shakes. I still have one product. That's a palette. Oh, Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker. I wanted to buy this when it came out and I didn't. Like I said, I never just pulled the trigger on his stuff. I'm speechless. Oh, Jawbreaker. I love Jawbreaker. That's probably one of my favorites. There's a nice mirror on it. I'm just going to cover the mirror. I just think that this is, it's bright, and that's Jeffree Star, but I think this was my favorite palette. I love the neutral one too, because I think I could, but that might be too dark for me. I love this. I don't care if I never touch this, but I'm going to. And this one was, I don't know if this was obviously the more expensive one, but I got the whole lip thing from, yeah, I'm speechless. So that was this box. Oh my goodness. And this one's basically a bonus. I can't believe everything in that box. This is the premium. No, this is the premium. I'm shaking. I'm so excited. So excited. I can't get in this box fast enough. The tape won't come off. So I'm just going to, oh, how cute. A little sneak peek here. Probably won't wear this one. I might. I'm not a big hat person, but you never know. But I could always display it, so I'm not mad at that. Pop socket is always nice, and mine is starting to fail. It's not sticking to my phone anymore. I had an MRI of my knee right before my knee surgery last year, and like I never, usually you put all your stuff in like a locker. Well, now I guess they changed the magnet. Then you can just bring your, you know, your handbag or whatever in the room with you. Well, here what it did was it slid my entire pop socket off my phone. So now I'm glad to have this. I still haven't bought another one. Have a card. Oh my, I see a pouch. I don't even want to know which one it is. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm shaking. This is the, I think, lip scrub. Yes, Velour Lip Scrub Strawberry Gum. Let me show you the front. Here. Oh, I'm shaking. I mean, my heart is racing. I can't believe. I am such a lip junkie to get that whole lip thing is just unbelievable. The gloss, and I have sequin glass. Let's see what this is. If it's a good color. I'm sure I'm opening it again the wrong way. Yes. Let's open it. I don't want to. I'm going to have to slip the tape. Let's get into this. I don't want to cut my finger. Why did they do this? I can't get into it that way. I'm just going to have to try to pull it out the bottom. I can't get in the top. I'll just pull this one out. Okay, that's a very wearable. I love the packaging. I just trashed this box. I don't even care. I'm so excited. Then we have a velour lipstick, and this is in Christmas Cookie. Right, Cookie? Yeah. I've seen this, and once again, wearable shade right here. You can see. I'm so excited. I want to get to the palette. I'm so excited. I definitely think here's the palette. I don't know which one this is. Anybody have a clue? Blue blood. Blue blood. Oh, blue's my favorite color. Oh my. Oh my. I'm displaying these. I am displaying these. Here's my blue blood palette. I love his packaging. His packaging is everything. Oh my. To see, I've seen it, but to see it in person. Jeffree Star. You rock, dude. I know you've all have seen this palette before. I've only seen it. I've never seen it in person, and I am simply blown away. Oh, I can see that hair now. That's driving me crazy. Oh, I just can't get over the packaging. The clip. I mean, look at this. I am highly impressed. Highly, highly impressed. To get this whole, it's in the box, the whole mini lip velour set. Speechless. I love it. Oh my, my heart is pounding. This is so exciting. I might have to try these again if he does them maybe in the fall. I knew this, I think these were spring, right? My paper is. Spring mystery boxes. I don't know if I'll be able to do this, if he does one for the summer, if I can afford that. Might wait till the fall or try to do the winter ones again, but I just am blown away. Thank you, Jeffree Star. I just think this is a phenomenal deal that you offer, and the products that you're giving away in these boxes are just outstanding. Kudos to you. And I will definitely post my photos and all this on your Twitter so you can just see that what this means to, you know, I'm going to be 60 years old this year, and I've never owned anything from you. And now to own some wonderful, wonderful products, I'm blown away. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did unboxing it. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.